Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add layers in Blockbench. Layers are useful for organizing textures and making detailed edits without damaging your base texture. On the right side, you'll see the Textures panel. After creating a texture, right-click on it and select Enable Layers. In the Layers panel, you can either import a layer or add an empty layer like this. This layer system gives you more control when working with complex textures. You can click the eye icon to hide or show a layer, allowing you to focus on specific details. A good practice is to keep separate layers for base colors, shading, and details, so edits are easier to manage and undo later. And that's how to add layers in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.